Commanders, morning. Asibingelele kumkhonto wesizwe, asibingelele kwi-MK Labour Desk, asibingelele kwi-Sun4South. Comrades, ayake siqondise le ma-comrades. Cela ingasixabanisi ngoba siyingane esizodwa, ingane zikaNxamalala. Angikhulume ke izinto mina ku social media, but kwesinye isikhathi khona izinto okuyi-ignore nje ziye ngokuqhubeka zanda futhi sibe yilimaza futhi ke kakhulukazi zilimaza umzabalazo omuhle. Bafowethu kwi-MK Labour Desk sidila kakhulu nabasebenzi, asicacise lokho, si-addresse kakhulu abaqashi. Leyo ukuthi abafowenu ama-foreigners asinqabe mawufila like sixosha abafowenu eSouth Africa, asibaxoshi. Into esimeleyo thina njenge-MK Labour Desk ukuthi abangaqashwa eSouth Africa abahlale ngoba uhulumeni uthi abahlale, but bahlale bengenamali eSouth Africa, bengenamsebenzi eSouth Africa, ngoba uma sebetemperisha with imisebenzi yethu yabantu base-South Africa kuba nzima kakhulu, ngoba iyona nto leyo eyenza ukuthi izwe i-high rate of employment iqhamuka khona. So thina okwethu ukugada nje ukuthi bangaqashwa, bangabi namabhizinisi amancane, ababe namabhizinisi amakhulu lawo ekuthiwa khona kufanele bakwazi uku-invest about 5 million. So now why must enforce the law? Bese kusuka nina ma-comrade kube yinina enifuna ukuphambana nathi. MK Labour Desk is here to address bafowethu ama-social ama-social challenges esibhekana nawo every day. Crime is high because abantu they are not employed. So thina ke uma silekelela izwe ukuthi kuqashwe abantu, nakho njengamanje uyabona ukuthi sebeyaqala no minister thizeni no bani thizeni, nabo sebeyabantu now who are busy with undocumented foreigners. So that means ke i-MK Labour Desk iqala into enhle eyehlele nakubantu bavuke emaqandeni babona ukuthi lento yokuqasha ama-foreigners ayisilekeleli sonke njengezwe. Nasemaklinikhi odokotela abaphethe amaklinikhi ama-foreigners, ama-nurse ama-foreigners, othisha ama-foreigners. Umbuzo uthi why pho sikhale nge-unemployment eSouth Africa kanti siyakwazi ukuthi kunemisebenzi efanele sinikeze abantu bokufika angeyona ama-scarce skills. Sathi thina usection 38 awu-amendwe uma kuwukuthi kanti abantu ababeshaya lowo mthetho babengakho sober, no section 40 we-Immigration Act. Yes, siyasebenza but siyayithola i-resistance u-Department of Labour, because u-Department of Labour now sifana nomuntu omphuca iqathe emlonyeni, ngoba njengamanje is against yonke into uprotector ama-foreigners from emafemini. Njengamanje nje sine issue ethi eStenga Department of Labour came clear wathi yena ngeke ayimbandakanye nokukhipha ama-foreigner elokuzene eStenga elokuzene eMandeni. Umbuzo uthi kanti why sinama-department? Why kanti ama-department awathathini i-mandate yethu njengabakhokhi bentela? Why kufanele ama-department asitshene ngemithetho esingayazi thina njengabakhokhi bentela? Ngoba okubalekile ukubatshela ukuthi sifuna umsebenzi, and the more siqasha abantu bokufika the more izwe liya phansi, ngoba ababanjelwa i-tax, abachajwa ngalutho. And now uyabona ukuthi even kwawona ama-health lokhuze clinics and hospitals uyabona ukuthi now uma sekufanele kuthiwa bakhokhe sekukhona abantu abadabukayo manje kanti kufanele bona bangafiki bathola amahala ezibhedlela zethu kufanele bakhokhiswe ngathi private hospital ngoba phela manje sebesuka emazweni abo bazozalela la eSouth Africa. Why we can't protect our country? Patriotism kanti thini, activism kanti thini. Of course asibazonda abantu bokufika. Angazi ukuthi ubani lo ofuna ukuthi siyabazonda. Asibazondi thina abantu bokufika. Into esiyenza we protect what belongs to us as izwe lase South Africa. Even if asinamengameli ngoba ibukeka like it's a white elephant, it's a banana republic. People they don't want to deal with the real issues affect abantu on the ground. The MK Labour Desk came and intervened and fill up that space. Abantu babuyelwa ithemba ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi izwe lethu libuye. Ubani pho lo ngoba nakhona la bafethu kwi-MK Labour Desk kwi-MK Party siyacela bafethu ongayi-understand lento eyenziwayo akasicele simchazele ukuthi sidila nani angasilebuli ngokuthi xenophobic kade leyo language sayazi and we are not even closer to xenophobic. We are dealing with real issues eyithinta abaqasho kuyibona abafuna ukwenza ama-cheap labor in South Africa, abaqhamuka nama-agent in South Africa, abafuna uku-underpay our own people besebenzisa abantu bangaphandle. So yonke inkampani esebenzisa abantu bangaphandle ayazi ukuthi iphula umthetho eSouth Africa. This is what we are saying. And asikwazi uku-apologize. We are not apologetic about that. We are serious and we are going to make sure ukuthi leyo nto ayenzeki. So comrades, friends, siyabona ukuthi inkinga ikhona. Wonke ama people who wants to be relevant, they come on video talking about the MK Labour Desk. Video siyabasebenzela abantu ukuthi bakhulume ngokuthi how wrong we are. We are not wrong and we are not apologetic. We know what we are doing and we are assisting people on the ground. Sesinabantu abaningi abathola umsebenzi through i-operation nama-programs esiwenzayo ukuthi silekelele abantu bakithi. Uwona msebenzi lo engabe wenziwa uhulumeni but wenziwa yithina njenge-MK Labour Desk. So nakunena-ke bafowethu whoever onga-understand akabuze. That is the best way of attending a problem ukuthi ubuze la ungaboni waqhamuka engathi uyazi kanti uzoqala phansi usibuyisele back to square one. So ilokho ke bafowethu and angikhulumi ke mina ku social media ngabantu unfortunately ngaba umuntu do discipline wakhulela ekhaya ngeke ngikhuluma into ngazi kahle ukuthi lento inabanikazi bayo eqondene nabo ekufanele bayi-understand futhi ukuthi angeke silokhu siba relevant ngama-issues ama-foreigners abafowethu makungabafowenu bakulungile it's okay abahlale nani but thina sifuna ukuthi bangasebenzi ezweni lethu. That's what we want, just that. Asikho compromised ngalokho. So ilokho bafowethu engikushoyo nena-ke bomkhonto if ever asifuni ukuphambana nezistructure zomkhonto because of into e-MK Labour Desk noma ke kukhona la abasidivide khona kodwa ke it's fine uma kusenziwa umsebenzi womkhonto noma kuthiwa ubani wenza kuphi awenzi umsebenzi womkhonto even ama-region even ama-sub-regions abantu abawenza umsebenzi womkhonto. Siyakubonga lokho sithi ke siyabonga. Uma ufuna ukwazi more ikhona inamba 071-978-4717 noma uthi mklabourdesk@gmail.com sikusendele i-guideline la ukhona kuba sub-regions ayikhule i-MK Labour Desk. Siyabonga.